Hello, Finovate. We've come from far away here to share one simple idea, that we banks have to innovate too, because otherwise our customers will choose alternative models like they already did so many times before in other industries. I'm Michał from mBank, the online banking leader in Central and Eastern Europe with over 4 million customers.
And I am Maciej Opyk from Accenture. Michał, I need advice on my personal finance.
So go to a branch, like everybody's supposed to, I guess. That must be why 30 biggest banks in the world spend staggering $500 billion each year on their branch networks.
To a branch? Now? Michał, Warsaw is 4,000 miles away from here.
Then why don't you use online banking instead? Given how much banks care about their branches, banks must be giving you one swell online experience too.
Well, I tried, but swell it is not. Look, this is mBank's online site. I hope you are not going to demo this one today. All the products, tables with data everywhere, but really, no advice for me.
Doesn't this look familiar? Doesn't your bank give you the same choice? Either go to a branch for advice on new products, or visit online, but only for transactions on products you already have.
This is the $500 billion question, but what should I do now?
Let me offer you this.
What's that?
This is mBank's magic wand. It will transform your old and tired online banking into a modern web service packed with top financial innovations, which will give you advice when you really need it.
Sure, let's give it a ride. Wow, what a change. Are you sure this is still my account?
We're showing a live system which 4 million of our customers can use every day now. So I pray to gods of internet and the Finovate technicians that they keep this internet connection alive, because otherwise we won't have anything to show.
But you said there would be advice, and from what I see, is yet another mass campaign banner here on the right. This one's for cash loan, I believe.
This is not a mass campaign. It's a tailor-made advice prepared especially for you. Have a better look.
Okay. Now I see in the account details that I may actually hit an overdraft soon. Wait a minute. Are you helping me to avoid overdraft fee? Are you sure you are a bank?
Our real-time CRM has detected this low liquidity approaching, so we'd rather offer you a loan than penalize you with an overdraft fee.
Very good then. The dots in dark green area help me see transactions hitting my account balance over the last few weeks. Spending is categorized because with Meniga we could usefully integrate PFM features with core banking scenarios. The light green is future spending, and the advice was spot on because I've forgotten about the large payment. But Michał, there is no way any bank can process such loans so quickly.
Try mBank's offer. It will only take a few minutes, and no branch, no paperwork, and no wet signature.
Okay. Jacek will help me with the checkout then. It's just a few clicks. But hey, this was just a cash loan. What about something more complicated like a mortgage or better, investment? For that, you need an advisor.
You're spot on, because for most people, complex scenarios are really hard to do in self-service mode.
So that's why we need real humans to make complex decisions.
Not so fast. What about meeting an mBank advisor right now?
As I said, mBank is 4,000 miles away from New York. You had someone to fly over?
New York, Paris, Tokyo, Warsaw, you name it, because at mBank, my branch is everywhere where I am, including on Finovate stage.
As a matter of fact, telepresence has already reached mass adoption on services like Skype, Link, Hangouts, and others.
However, we could not find a solution which would be one click easy for consumers. Yes, we are a bank. One click easy for consumers, yet still be scalable, secure, and authenticated for all contracts and transactions. So we partnered with a company called SoftwareMind, and we built our online branch on our own. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Panovich. How can I help you?
I have some money to invest. Which stock would you recommend?
Sure. Would you mind bringing in one of our best investment experts?
Not at all. And who would that be?
Good afternoon. I can see it's quite a crowd there with you, Mr. Panovich. Hello, Finovate. I love New York. I studied business at Columbia years ago. My name is Cezary Stypułkowski, and I'm the CEO of mBank. As for stocks, Mr. Panovich, there is just one sound choice: invest in our bank.
As you can see on this chart, you have done quite well over the last 2 years.
I call it the Stypułkowski Index.
Looks pretty good to me. I'll invest $1,000 then.
Excellent. And can I also have one more suggestion?
And which one is that?
Do not show gamification, because my generation does not get it as much as you guys love it. Please show our payments marketing, will you?
Looks like I'd better do now, sir. Thank you.
Enjoy, New York.
Thank you very much. And by the way, soon we'll have our online branch on tablets too.
Great. Before we check out some deals, Michał, do you think that my loan has processed?
Look into your account details.
Okay. Yes, cash has arrived. So my liquidity is back within 3 minutes, no branch, fully online, and based on relevant advice.
Ready to earn some cash back on deals now?
Of course. Look at those little red bags in account history. I've got 2 great offers from top retailers matched against my transactional behavior. And we've built the entire service and data analytics on our own. A snap to sign up?
And a snap to redeem, because it's automatic on debit and credit. And in addition, our Facebook Deals app shows that over the last 4 months, I earned more on deals than I actually did on deposits. So, to wrap up, thanks to technology, we banks no longer need to be branch-centric and spend billions on legacy systems and designs. The only thing we really need for transformation is to think and work a little bit differently.
And if you like what you have seen from us, please vote for mBank and Accenture. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.